The fifth and final scenario shows us what happens when a user is unable to reset their password for themselves. This may be because they have, for example, not got access to the email address configured anymore, or because they may have forgotten the answer they gave to the security questions. In this case, we're going to log in as a Helpdesk user. A Helpdesk user has the ability to control passwords for other users, but doesn't have full administration rights on the system. So, for example, they can't do things like create password policies. We can see the user search in the left-hand pane, which we can use to select the user we want to configure. You can search for a single user or a group of users, and there are multiple filter options. All the results of a search are shown in the pane at the bottom of the screen. We can check the checkbox beside the user we want to configure and then perform different actions on that user. For example, we can enable or disable any of the user's accounts, all done through the wizard. By checking the username and clicking expire passwords, we can expire the user's password for an individual accounts, which will force them to reconfigure their password. We can deselect certain reset questions for that user. For example, if the user has forgotten the answer to a specific question, we can remove that from their active pool. And of course, we can change the password for the user, either for all of the systems managed by a policy or for an individual account. We enter their new password in accordance with the rules defined by the policy. And once the new password has been configured, we're asked to confirm with our own password, and then the changes are made. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Critical Path Training Department. If you have any further questions or would like any other information, you can contact us on the web at www.criticalpath.net or email us at training@criticalpath.net.